Can you describe the bungalow colonies in the Catskills?
Individual small wooden homes with little porches. You would walk up a few steps and then walk into a kind of a sitting room, small kitchen, and bedroom, bathroom. I don't know what you call those tanks that had the gas that we use to feed the kitchen. Some were individual ones, and there were two attached to each other. It was usually summer when we were up there, so everything was green, lots of trees. And the first bungalow colony I remember going to was on a lake. There were no day camps. There was nothing organized for us to do. I still remember, well, my brother was there when we were younger. I have an older brother, and he and the boys would go fishing on the lake, and I would dig worms for bait and scare my mother with them. That was my greatest joy. And that's what we did. We went swimming and we went fishing, and we picked huckleberries. Now, I don't know what they call them now, but those blueberries you buy, they're huckleberries. And the women all baked all kinds of wonderful things with those huckleberries. Now, when we visited in Poland, and we went up into the hinterlands to see where our parents came from and our grandparents came from, it looked like a bungalow colony. And we then realized, at least I did, that that's why the Jews ran up to the mountains in the summertime. Even though they said to you it's because they want a lot of fresh air, there was this frische Luft thing, whatever. The fact is that when they got together up in the bungalow colony, it looked like their shtetl in Poland, and they felt at home.